Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 31. To what temperature in Kelvin must a gas be raised from 290 Kelvin in order to double both its volume and pressure? A. 145, B. 580, C. 819, D. 1092, E. 1160. So we are given an initial temperature here of 290 Kelvin, and we are asked to what temperature will you raise this gas to in order for its volume and pressure to both be doubled. So the formula that gives us the relationship between volume, pressure and temperature of a gas is the general gas formula or general gas equation, which is P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. Now let's look at our variables. Our T1 is 290 Kelvin. Our T2 is what we are looking for because we are asked to what temperature. So our T2 is what we are looking for. And then our P1, let's hypothetically just leave it as P1. Our V1, so let's also leave it as V1. Now our final pressure and volume is supposed to be what? To be double the volume and pressure. So P2 is equal to 2P1, that is 2 times P1, and V2 is equal to 2V1, that is 2 times V1. So now, from this general gas equation, like I said, we are looking for our T2, and if you make T2 subject of formula, T2 will be equal to, from this formula, T2 is equal to P2 V2 T1, that is P2 times V2 times T1, all over P1 V1, P1 times V1. So this is the expression to get our final temperature. Now let's substitute each value. Now P2 we said is 2P1, that is double the value of P1. So 2P1 times V2, which is 2V1, times T1, which is 290 over P1 V1. Okay, so you have P1 here, so P1 cancels P1, V1 cancels V1. So T2 is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4 times 290. So T2 is equal to 4 times 290, which is equal to 1160 Kelvin. So this is the temperature to which you must raise this gas in order for its volume and pressure to be double. So 1160 Kelvin is option E, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.